Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add payment methods to System.io. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to System.io. Then from here, make sure to sign into your account. Now, once you've signed into your account, we want to go ahead and hover over your profile image on the far right and then click into settings. Then from here on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. Click on the one that says payment gateways. Then from here on the right hand side, we've got all these different gateways we can add. So we've got Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pago, etc, etc. So now in order to connect a payment method or add a payment method, just go ahead and click on that connect button. So for this demonstration, I'm going to connect Stripe. So I'm going to click connect. Then from here, it's going to take me over to Stripe. So I need to go ahead and set up this two-step authenticator. After that, it's going to ask me for my username and password and to sign in to add in Stripe. And now this is basically the same to all these others. So if I want to go ahead and connect PayPal, I want to click on connect, and then we want to go ahead and put your username, password, and signature and click save.